wakuna na trase na pomodinity nsema ya de abano also techianya sababa kasa na techianya smo wode babetu dwano Editorial stars I was say a true timer mobile bonten na fei mo clear no amo bia ho sampa techianya we are part of Editorial stars and also not part of Editorial stars what is here the enra wababa challenge more question the position as the general manager for Editorial stars. It when small to be pray yedebeba na the sports minister SOF Vesete Kumase Asante Kodokobobo Kono Anafe Atamatas Aircraft Paper don't pay live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Enti wadoro mampachom ubeko Facebook reso uko Facebook reso aya Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow, now we share, now to message the baron of Pebek and Kain. Also, Taba, we had to better so Sompa 93.1 FM. Our Facebook resto follow. Now share, now for message the baron of Pay. Yabak and Kain Taba Sompa TV. Also, with YouTube resto na fe. What promoter subscribe on to message the baron of Pay. Yabak and Kain. Also, Taba, we had to better so full time live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Ana wasugu so we tell no pay in some to the pay at the bro jubetina no thing and yes some talk about your fortress to Bianca yes Bishop Atapoku ha obatin and ka with jubetina so ana first prince starters and no pay mobatin and ka ana for you the thing and it's Cinco de Mario at the first of the so the pay come up ama bibiam that's way to back on kind what I say na Mr. Wack Ajuma bono chirono me pa branche asema okacheba no pen me aka sabtu say yes next time me ba me prepare me ho pa ana me patro me nua ni din enso ane Roberto Firmino the finisher ewo aha ana fe Ejekum Blanson AK Orlando womuna e produce jumate no pay yade esema wo to be prem enso the probo kaba pa me tena Rachel Chris Adams Takowa Mackenzie. Call me the little can call me the latest intelligence. Some powerful time. I know a sugusa with you know. And I then some would drop a papa now some good talk to big rum. I will Europe upon test now for the seminal and so that promo kama. I may be piasso at me area pair both of your daruma. And no more touch on a pagata say your day and seminal also they bar. Young number gentleman dental clinical Australia. Me say, Uramo gentleman dental clinical Australia. Wow, was still and kawanka wabese sase na me pacho kasa oni pemu a na wusu trase wo de ane gentleman dental clinic na fei wadaru man pacho wo peste no mo jefo no mo ba wo se tinam na yemre ana fei me pacho ekro wonum kaka na dokro ho gentleman sabra na yakopon na momo saso bi bia bekoe eso damawo ama sa ha no eto atwa ama bibia so to konka damawo wo se na 2% replace say your temple and that's permanent ni nyino mo yanwo djuma so damawo wo se good and that's silver what the gentleman dental clinic kura ha me se information afei wo motimesie so kama ama bibia to bakoe so damawo ye cha kwan wa report na dana UMP bank ru wo no ya wano srope me pacho ye ne mata the school na teacher mu ye total filling station no ano ye gentleman dental clinic me pacho wadoro me na pay ma me fanto de so room e aplawa ye ben eco bank no afei takwa de banchase tade score down akra ye odome me pacho uromo akra ye wonu kwasi 5 junction ho ana afei me pacho uromo kofo diaso ye ben central police station no ane judgment pere phone kobo 05 5930 9582 05 5930 9582 ya homa betuma friend gentleman dental clinic couldn't pay for esom yetubet kobo Buffalo Polo me pacho na Valentine Day na Buffalo Polo ebetimi ama wadafo aniaje Buffalo Polo ubetuma fa Buffalo Polo so amwa dofo fo nyina obani agire se Buffalo Polo and a day African Prince a quality pa and what day polo shirts and what the abeja so and to shebia occasion be to be the call and you Buffalo Polo no into Valentine Day or my special packet what is here into every 100 Ghana cedis every 200 Ghana cedis a couple 1,200 Ghana cedis Buffalo Polo more package. Na fe was that day chocolate any spray sadia ka ho ama bibia so to be pɛ so dama ho etimi patron na fra buffalo polo sisi na fani na arrange normal quality politicians obetudi atu odofo obetudi atu obusua o workers na for biania te kama buffalo polo cha kwan ewo ahinema kokobin 18 mu ahinema kokobin 18 mu fantastic kwan so ane buffalo polo ni nkobo 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 Yahoma Obetuma from Buffalo Polo na fei one Buffalo Polo straight to betting kobo Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited at a children pay 18 and a person car me patro ko Joy Cam for a dan west area went to lentla me patro my Joy Cam for botana suba one chance no mudi crew tana suba wa e shonenka e bi matemo ana febi patron chance na so ye fia wadaro man patron Joy Cam for one chance in so to and one kasa e ro no so de bia enti de bia no chance e clean e fa e fia no e distinguish ho every other buildings munti promote say ubetuba robo Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited for them for asom etuba din kobo kama ama bibia som etuba we pay so dama MCR me patron concentrate ba me eti Joy Cam one more IBR one more staff floor one more MSL one more standard 6 one more Erotas anafe alosing anafe accessories abuto nyina one more bia becha so ye wo techiman ye wakra ye wo sunyane bokatanga tamale wa bebiabu Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited na wadaro man patro kumasia ye wo sokoba na mpayo anasa sokoba na mpame ye name police station the team shedemu ane Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited ni komo 0551 009,000 0551 009,000 Yahoma ubetuma fre Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited for them for asom etuba komo ama bipia so etuba kweso dama mi patro se broadband ana opa mi patro switch na ko Telestal first broadband no na fe bi patro kwaje telestal mo broadband ni bi na fe fabra office wo anase wo fie ho ba bia peso yusu bia no kan na fe ye be fesen fama e me bi piasom gentlemen koyin fama ene ye telestal connecting energies me patro mo da your broadband so dada no mo nya 300% bonus on of new customers mo subscribe to telestal broadband no me patro 50% bonus and on saka telestal connecting energies into bad broadband so betuma ban fast na fe fast na bi piasom e betuma ko na fe atuma so steady with internet na wo dem so any telestal fed broadband me patro brabejo there o ba telestal outlet bia biano oba osam eso betuma card here na fe mi patro wo so dia show how far and also betuma dale star 900 hash na fuwa mbia so no betuma follow prompt no kama na bibia eso betuma konka dama and ya telesal wo mo botuma panya sem ketokra afi telesal assign at 4G MiFi eso abanti na no pesa wo tienka na se open MiFi padia pomode sem mi patro 4G MiFi na telesal ediaba mi patro very mobile tell between their car over connected them on laptops or phones that would draw now from the year juma everywhere you go or biase telesal network reach and nashwa but juma pam and that's them to talk to adorma open MiFi dia a telesal 4G MiFi no and I make come for them on no patro 500 Ghana cedi per auto ya some 10 gigabyte of your data now for also their show how far I may be that's what to conquer them on telesal connecting energies and of me patro and no pay sika new botoma na me catch on no person me ba mo sika sisi yenya exercise nini eno eye mega cash lucky boss ba mo fasika sisi eti ko phone so na daily star 426 star 6 hash no me so na fe what choose options no eye the various lucky boss I wo de me patro choose the upper for 5 Ghana cedi perfect sika ni be sisi instant resource ba phone so na fe instant cash receive na ba phone so na fe ba beto momoni mu na wetime enjoy radina coupon ubetime nya as much as 5 billion old Ghana cedis with the 5 Ghana cedi per afem ubetime reche 5 billion old Ghana cedis na fe and our phone so now we enjoy and on me patro mega cash lucky boss star 426 star 6 hash nemnya so necha na wucha ubedi bibia bekoye so dama kama pa ama bibia so to be pay me patro patro time heba mesta what me nkana no pay no biabu bobi me to metro na me wo smatoma anya stem ketokra no patro time near time nya bino no nabo boy na me ka trust be bia bekoye so tama malaria in 3D no e betania fi pajenemo ana afe wa poso yo ya wintri dia what dem anytime heba mesta nya bino no nabo bo time heba mesta no e metro say ye metro me patro nya bino no me na me ka trust wa me patro yade erogro ni pagende piano no fin when we hoya obia so moja sote one kasam to say yes in your inner being a yare pomode say time heba mesta no was some na so beto makabina fe wode no bi na me ka trust ya de bia hinta woni pagende mu a entimi ma wunya pomode na de piano ase no fin na unum no awodo e basa obeto ma say wo kidney entino no pe wote me ka pomode say time heba mesta no was some beto makadie na fe wote ma no bi na bibia bekoyi enso demo mamu be bia ton ro piano was some time heba mesta ono fe time heba mesta e boost immune system no kama ama bibia na so tebe koyi demo ene perifone komo panudu ato a 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 homa obetuma for time heba mesta mpedifo na for nim pedifo aswe tomatin komo kama ama bibia aswe tomakwe wa daru manana pay so wotumen ka me patro the reason tia ya na ni pedjano kidney no essay ana me babe catch no obi o wa enso nom aye difficult eso demano on time num so obetuma sorry the whole day na onum so me patro e basta u kidney no e benya problem adeba ko a e ma kidney eso e fancy wall and say ubetuma num so bebre nti the more wo num so no na wo support u kidney no na fetuma ye djuma no more na etuma yi fin te free pagene mo ama bibia na so etuma ko eso demanto unum so a ka ho senso no so banum so pa na say ye so pa na opa no dia me catch say canteen and not drinking water and make come for them say nya binonum na bobo na wadaruma anya babekoye enso dama pa me patro de tell say canteen and not drinking water enso a etibe support u kidney no e ma u kidney no enso nya ho den na fetibe ye adwuma empore so nya kidney problem na ye catch say enyama bako betuma ma wukidi no me patro problem na wanya no ebetuma free wukidi ni mu a eyenso ene ye kamfo na so de ma ho enti no so bebre na obebo ama oni pagya no efi enso etuma free pagya no afai me patro wa wo yematim ana fa wa wunti no obu ha na mo kakra be bo se ni babia ni tititi eno patro se wunti no me patro ntimi nya dwuma no ye pomode se eye alkaline water no canteen and natural drinking water ene betuma yo so opim so opim for patro gunso eso no ntinya bi no nom na betuma boama ya dia ka wose kwa akra no eyiri nyina so de fri akra no na fa akra no so tuba yeden na woso won tuba yeden kama me patro pe ya cha kwan a Brahman UGC anasa abawo route junction so Tafu New Road and about your chakwan into promote say canteen and natural drinking water on sabet tobacco there no pinable poppy from 24 on my way so 0241 449191 0241 449191 yahuma obeto free canteen and natural drinking water when in perform also etobetin komo no when you beer to afei me patro genti college sabra yawo kumawu kwanta kumasia anasa Ashanti region ya kumawu kwanta enu ye genti college botuma pa anya sem ketokra ye various courses patro SHS student purpose ye science visual arts after ye general arts and of business home economics and of Greek ni nyina no me patro genti college ye after open ye ultramodern hostel and boarding facilities according ya obetuma trust da fe wetuma relax and wetuma sua dia ni nyina genti college e was facilities no eso hom ebo akra no ama bibia so tobako eso tobakra no tena no pesa wotime ka genti college na woko na fe patro papa no papa man unua ba no unua no wotena ko school ho na me say SHS so no womo eja legacy indelible mark ho sa omo kwani school a me patro mo kwa ko exam sa womo time kire no mo twade ede animonyam de brabusua eti genti college na woko kuma wo kwanta da school wo ene chairman of Chekapani Komo 0243 721 659 0243 721 659 Yahoma Ubetuma Fred Gentica let me patch admission Egusto Cosum ewo Gentica let me patch on pay so what to me can me catch us a bonus ope a bet dear se bet about Tim Upa so better a bet bakope Sikabe Bray and one betway you patobaswe here and I call Kone Kocha bet no betway na ucha bedu diswa won sabeka osika betway and Kone betting up a mo opportunity to set betting automatic cash out. I just say the patron was set automatic cash out now and according to your pay. Ebi asa matches way say etomu pe sikana redro be go akansum entimi patcho the more now o bet no uwini a okonim no na sikana redro kakra se the bia o bet no nkosai what as bet we no ono nko ne bet na pobo automatic cash out na bibia som etoma ko so dama bet we ne bet we heavy enti no ono pay say o pe bet nko dia make to se be bia on sense from our ya sobo ni dia kotokron cash no and one bet 20 ko betway na fe ko twa bet na kama ama bibia etba ko so jama to bodaroma ana mata echi o maso dwumadi ase a ye ko na fe demo na nsam no enso tapa life no court super bekata 93.1 ko Facebook reso o ko Facebook reso a ya Sompa 93.1 FM no follow na wo share na to message ne pa ana fe Sompa TV wo YouTube no so no subscribe na to message no enso ba no pebeken kan etem amount e we ye dwumadi ne so
رد باله خطفان على شامل حتى كريستيانو رونالدو جباله من كارفاخال خطيرة يا رونالدو يا كريستيانو يا كبير يا كريستيانو يا رونالدو هدف اسطوري هدف انطولوجي هدف للتاريخ يا كاتب التاريخ لا تغلق الصفحات يا كاتب التاريخ عنوان الورقات رونالدو اولا رونالدو ثانيا يا معقدهم العب يلا يا اسطوري يلا يا انطولوجي يلا يا معذبهم يلا يا جوليادور يلا.
Ahí está para recibir Sergi Roberto, Gerard Piqué, Sergio Busquets, Sergi Roberto, se va en velocidad, no puede Luka Modric, encara a Marcelo, no pueden con él, sigue con todo, se va poniendo mucha velocidad en el ataque, abre para André Gómez, le sale el paso Carvajal, va a llegar la ayuda, Jordi Alba, punto de penalti, ¡gol!
Increíble.
¡Gol de Leo Messi! ¡Gol de Leo Messi sobre la bocina! El tercero del Barcelona, el segundo de Leo Messi, el Madrid que se había dejado el alma, el Barça que ha hecho lo propio para dejarnos un recuerdo imborrable de un partido clásico increíble que es un escaparate de la liga para el planeta del fútbol. Ganó, se adelantó ahora el Barcelona que enseña la camiseta al Bernabéu, va a recibir la cartulina amarilla, Leo Messi marca.
شوف الكرة تلعب باتجاه اليسار الهجمة خطيرة هيا يا حبيب الملايين يا حبيب الملايين ميسي اقتلهم ميسي
Ya kono fe ya temana samna panono pay live on Sompa 93.1 FM. A brana so sena no pay te amana samna Sompa live for your gotin super bekatal 93.1 on totally your most outstanding channel sports station that keeps you updated on all the latest standard of events. Your ultimate tradition of retro quality will continue to set the pace for others to follow. Mustafa no pay ya tase temana samna pa enti ko Facebook reso Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow, now we share, now we to message the banana pay. You back in cash taba we to matter so Sompa TV our YouTube and so now fame me patron was subscribe now we to message the banana pay. You back in kind and so taba we to matter so and a penstoman panano attain me patron mama me a brand here for the Brennan Johnson your player was a kind at the Emma me patron Daruma not young for a bobo could answer was a kind and so at the Matona was boboko no sa brante we masa enya sem ketokra abrante we abodwuma pa na me pacha brante we wadaro masane ma me ben no ana ferebu safo so ben na atenti na brante mo ne tas na fe wo mon kasam emfancha brante a ye fe Brennan Johnson say oba betwem prana emprana oba betweno oba wakoko faro no anu odin papa enya sem ketokra na oba no ye fe Lily Phillips na Lily Phillips enso yo bia me pacha omo yi omo ho esom e won tentamfide no so de Jessica ana fe omo so a me pacha omo tebeti contract okay ye ne beba we enso kwakoda na fe yetuma Jessica no eno ya baba wa ye fe Lily Phillips me pacha the picture no ana ye datum Facebook no Sompa 93.1 FM pacha de ko Facebook so Sompa 93.1 FM na wo follow na wo share na wo to message ne ba no pai ye be kenkan so taba we yetuma te so oba we me pacha record o ye ene se me pacha edabako one day one member 101 and a tire me pacha sa baba we ana branch ya obodwuma enso taba to the most probable kono ye fe Brennan Johnson no wo so kwakofo no na for no na twempra na bibia so etaba kwaso taba brantia the friend Brennan Johnson to the picture no and your data Facebook no enti MCR me patcho momoten na fe mo fam abrantia friend Brennan Johnson aya papa wa wakoko fa no aya Lily Phillips also mo for the pictures ningo Facebook no na yanku anim Sompa 93.1 FM na me patcho mo follow na mo share na fe mo to message na ba eno no pebe kankan eso taba bo yetuba te so ama bibia som etaba kwenta wani nie nyasa ketokra mo fa no to TV this way na fa yanku anim na bibia som enkoye live on Sompa 93.1 FM no aya brontia ye friend Brennan Johnson me pacha baba wa wakoko fa na wo say when ya baba wa woni ne bata na fe o matime di odo no matime pobra edaba kupa me pacha baba wa we and member 101 and the die am me pacha set record e wo wiase sem woni ne baba wa one day me pacha wa energy se obetime tire member wo donim na fa me pacha wetima settle fa obi a ama bi piasom etuma kwente no aya baba we friend Brennan baba we friend Lily Phillips am pacha ne mprane abrantia friend Brennan Johnson was a kind enso de matona mos pebobo kunintoni kakra eno no pai eno so ba ye watuma so tebabo ye tubete so ye da so tinkuda so de so de ba live on Sompa 93.1 FM me pacha mama me already ten ana Rafael Benitez Bordes to no Rafael Benitez your former Madrid manager former Liverpool manager papa na kasa ye kubuso already ten Rafael Benitez abrantia friend Trent Alexander-Arnold Osia kadibali fa pobobo kono abrantenom epeso kosia kan edemar gelman tubobo kono no asaye former manager edemar gelman tubobo kono former manager dibali fa pobobo kono owuno sta abrantie for Alexander-Arnold okosia kan edemar gelman tubobo kono befa ediate no sta abrantenom eso tumi ye no tumi society ewo ye Spain e komene sta abrantenom ebesia kan eso tabar gelman tubobo kono enno pato ready thing ana Rafael Benitez Fanto Pierre so kabo biate said the style of your football na Real Madrid bobo kore bono ana fa plante the thing and Trent Alexander-Arnold the style of your football no so bono odile pass obetuba society and so Real Madrid bobo kore ntone de sa plante na take the decision sam on toso bio ensia kan en fa Real Madrid bobo kono no be rem ana so sia kan for Liverpool no be sia kan en so tabar Real Madrid bobo kono no remo spena odile pass e be correct decision en so na for the Trent Alexander-Arnold and you could have put already doing and Rafael Benitez Bordes to Rafael Benitez former manager at the Liverpool Bobokuno.
He's an offensive defender and he's playing as a midfielder sometimes now. So Real Madrid is an attacking team. They are the best team in Spain and they will be the best team in Spain. So even if Barcelona or Atletico Madrid are doing really well, but still Real Madrid has the potential, so they will be always there. So for an offensive defender in an offensive team, you have more chances to make assists and then to create situations in attack that they will be good for him as a player. price, but
okay,
with Real Madrid, you can guarantee that he will do that for years. So,
Mortes, former manager, and so to Margaret to Bobo Kono, Webber Montaigne, and on a pass with the Batuja, young one to Masu Taba, we had to the so, and a pay already thing, and a slot manager, and so to Bali Fapu Bobo Kono, me patch the press conference, no sweat tobacco so, now your Kubus already to the Nasro, and on what money of Fat Bobo Kono, and so the Buania, me patrol Fapu Bobo Kono draw against effort to Bobo Kono, already to the slot, me patrol Konya record, na record now Konya, no, Ubetuma Church, when you may see a picture, so, and start a referendum, me patrol Yapon game Nanasa, no in the record, as what your channel, Ubetuma Church, Amaya, Yama Koso, our picture, so, and non patrol ready thing, and an assurance and subway, a quackudi evidence, and then they say, Ubetuma go through enough way to make details of what really transpired, our picture, so, and send a referee in record, and some Gadiatanum, or come with Beata say, Efeno, Egu Sobi Patobu go through enough way, Wamoyomo investigation 20 min carry, as some phone already did an assurance my updates concerning Liverpool, Wamo players Namia to my Liverpool, and who found to want to Bobo Konum, also the Bobani, Nami Patosa Kimono, already think any Cody Baptist Gapo, Papa did an assurance confirm, and then what against effort to Bobo Kono, a Branton Ekonya record, and the another son, a Branton Betubastia kind, and so at the Ama Liverpool Bobo against who found to want to Bobo Kono, yeah, was Saka a Branton for Matheus Cunha, Osia kind, and so at the Emma who found to want to Bobo Kono, or a quality player, and it is a Liverpool Bobo Kunabesia, who found to want to Bobo Kona, one bear careful pound about a Brantia, the day after the Matheus Cunha, young Kudafe, young Quato already did on a slot, on a manager, so the Bali for Bobo Kono, Namon Patra Brantia for the Joe Gomez, or no some Ekokopra up the Swindano, what the MIA.
Be interesting to get your reaction from Wednesday night, if we could, please. Any further clarification for us on why the red card was issued? Are we able to understand how and why?
There's an ongoing process now, and I think I have to respect it. We have to respect that, so I can't go into details. So if you're specific, your question a bit more, maybe I can answer something, but not into the details.
Was it, do you feel, because of the handshake then? And was there anything that you directly said to Michael Oliver that would have deemed to have been disrespectful?
I think what happened was that the extra time, intentional 5 minutes that were ended up being 8, there happened a lot. And the emotions got the better of me. And if I could do that differently, if I look back at it, I would love to do it differently. I'm hoping to do it differently next time as well. But what has exactly been said or what has happened, I just told you there's an ongoing process, and I don't want to disturb that.
Way and some already thing and an slot manager the money for Pubobo Kono on some Adia Tuja na Abrantia the thing and a Diogo Jota and so a pro second the money for Pubobo Kono me patro play and your man said and some already did the Diogo Jota me patro Diogo Jota this season was starting between 6 and 7 matches and a team Amali for Pubobo Kono reporter of Pemeseka Patas baby Abrantino walk this is the timer also live for Pubobo could have bomb now for what to be the coin, no more to be people or to the passer, or better be consistent of a what to put you else to tabali for Pubokono and take me and say me at home, necessary national test live for a Bronte for the Togo Jota, or more to the coin already didn't win the next Gabriel Ribeiro, or more just out 2 players way, a Quamoka, me patron, a Managerial, a Bronte for the Togo Jota, Dedia, a interest of Branton or Coswina, I will live for Pubokonima on to be consistent and so former Liverpool Bobo couldn't tell you report I don't pay Meseka na Brante Luis Fernando Marulana Diaz to Luis Diaz was second Liverpool Bobo Kono Waterman Patrobamin Fanto de Bessa Liverpool Bobo could according to report I don't know Meseka Patasa a Brante Luis Diaz one bet to the coin Amanaka Nasobu Teddy Kwamanaka clubs of Saudi Arabia and Nasal Bobo Kono Baswana Bobo Kono Joe Bobo Kono or Biaba Pesa Brante Louis Jas no and come almost a bit to Macano, not for no straight to the best I can't tell more until Liverpool Bobokono, one of the players are a best saying a me at home, not since this one, Obuchobo Koya, one better Tobo Koino, a Brantefel Louis Jas, and so better my part of fair players are Liverpool Bobokono better you or more, and your fit to be no fay, one more to my pair, a consistent players are one better my Banafe, one more strong at my Pachuma, and so Tamali Liverpool Bobokono, Tadeka, and on a pair feeling for Bobokono, and from Australia, that's what they buy, young went to my soul, Tababu yet to so live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Me patch on Facebook Reso, Oko Facebook Reswa, Sompa 93.1 FM. Now follow, now share, until the answer interest, I common, and we have football more, which the pastor de Beniania, and my interest, as one to me conform, Nadena Kofas and Yamanina, as with Tabayanko, nothing could already to the Mauricio Pochettino Summer, on a storm at the Atuja.
Very good knowledge, they are very well prepared, and when this thing happens it's because of different factors that sometimes you cannot control. We try to control, but sometimes it's not easy. But I think yes, that is a thing that we all are worried, because I think many things, no? We are talking the last few years about the schedules, about how many games the player can support during the season. I think too many things that I think in the future we will fix.
Okay, Abusha, what do you want about Sir Mose, Timatobi, Awo, Yemfidi, one of your chair, Pana, Yuguswa, Yaya, Tumana Fay, Yatumaka, Adabo, Medica, Yatu, Musa, Namia, Tumami, Pato, Sompa, Yaya, Fidino, and so their fish swimming, Yako, overseas junction, Tisaun, Timatobi, and out your chair, Rescanu de Codano, Ovena Sompa TV, Nafe, what Pomate sweat to enjoy, Awa, you decodano so, on a first Sompa 93.1 FM Facebook so nam wa pamate follow na wa share now to message na pa no pebe kan and so taba we to be so Sompa TV our YouTube no so no subscribe and so Edement TV patro say Arabia ewo yem voices no any audios no na dia chair we say and per focus so oboye video no and so dia cause so problem be on network no so nam wo dia chair go so ya keke ni mabom so da bia you better more quality sound na fe we bia some etwa kon kan ya da so tin kono so ya da some the ba ama bia some etwa ko we etwa tere so yan ko Manchester United bobo kura so ya o ko Manchester United bobo kura so ya report no pay me say kam e pata say Manchester United bobo kono players ni bi anya prepare na me patro players no money bra abreno e pata say ya 3 months into already thing and European Philip Amorim case to no for European Amorim manager e the Manchester United bobo kono obey juma aso the Manchester United bobo kono orun ye yimu awo Manchester United bobo kono so ye we are closer to a branch for Bruno Miguel Borges Fernandes Alba Grifico to no for Bruno Fernandes when you are planted here close papa when you already think now so need Diogo Dalot as we close papa na players aka our Manchester United bobo kono and yet there's some run getting closer to other players na player ba kwa me patro we japa ananka gotire person company for am already did road Van Nistelrooy eto so ye juma adba Manchester United bobo kono anka ani mabeto bakoye enso taba Manchester United bobo kono aya branche for the Carlo Henrique Joseph Francisco Venancio Casemiro to do for the Casemiro gotire pass already did road Van Nistelrooy by and you modi go akwam koya no first one get closer to Manchester United players no na nyeme koya password to Manchester United players no na so already tell European Amorim onye closer to the players also Manchester United players ni nyina no as no patro modi bo form omo quality no form players no me close no I already tell Bruno Fernandes and of already thing and so any Diogo Dalot et Manchester United players no and yema koso I already tell Eric Tenaga so yeah. Ama team ni tuguye no anu bi na asase and already ten European Amorim players no sese bi patro mo ye far away from a coach already ten European Amorim and ya kakra no pay every Manchester United bobo kono every Australia so dey buy ye want to so tababu ye to so na me patro already ten Eric Tenaga ye pamo no am already ten European Amorim beto so aye juma as manager adiba Manchester United bobo kono and no me beto dem so Feyenoord Rotterdam bobo kono no ewo Holland omo pa already din ene Eric Tana so beba na from baba troso enso tama yaduma as manager enso tama Feyenoord Rotterdam bobo kono sasa according to report no pemeseka a partism uram ewo MLS ni mu a me patro Metro League Soccer ni mu US abutima mu clubs no o starte ene already din enso ne Eric Tana din komoso de bia e bia already din Eric Tana betuma consider na fe wetuma bamre kababa troso na wetuma coaching na ne kakra me patro no pay e feel already din Eric Tana fina so ya enso de ba ye wetuma enso tama bu yetuma tere so live on Sompa 93.1 FM ewo Facebook so na wo pomaten follow na wa share na wo to message na ba no pay ye be kenkan enso tama bu yetuma tere so ama bi piasom etuma ko mi patro da so tin kuda so ya de so de ba mamen ko Real to bobo ko mo mamen ko etuma kakra ewo Real to bobo ko so ya utro Real to bobo ko so ya already to the Joseph Pistayo Oliveira Vinicius Junior Toro Fede Vinicius Junior your player Osia kain enso tama Real to bobo ko no wadar man patro report no pay me se kam na patro se Saudi Arabia no me patro Saudi Arabia for the summer ni mo last summer ano mo approach ma Real Madrid pere fasa o mo pa brantia your Fede Vinicius Junior come na no me se ka was Saudi Arabia and already tell you say Angel Sanchez Maria Martinez when you transfer director the Real Madrid bobo ko no Okate Saudi Arabia for the derby another sa Bronte for the Vinicius Junior one baton a Bronte the so kono fe onko se kan former club for a Bronte the best our Real Madrid bobo kono na no patcho the two timer also Real Madrid bobo kono one more extended the contract of a Bronte for the Vinicius Junior one more Vinicius Junior atia say one more certain a level be our Real Madrid bobo kono mo wait beneswa another say play a baby to cross na fe wait to matra what I say to be patrol player Real Madrid for no e wo kwan ba faso na fe wo mo do faso no wakatwe no motuma ye enso to se de bia e betuma board Real Madrid bobo kono na fe sikasamo nkwatwe enfoma Real Madrid bobo kono eno eno patrol no pay report be se ka pata se Real Madrid put for confirm to ba frontier ye fe Vinicius Junior self Vinicius Junior ye ka chom na me antuma later by 2026 sabanimo ana me patrol Real Madrid put for no batase na fe no wetin komo se de bia the pen best kata so be study o contract no Ademar Real Madrid bobo kono anya saso Saudi Arabia for no me patro bu disca bana paso kwa ubetuma kom buru se Real Madrid bobo kono confirm to Saudi Arabia for this so me fa Brante for the Vinicius Junior just about terminate the contract no and stand up Brante no make the same o me se kai I was Saudi Arabia pro and on e concern Brante ya for the Vinicius Junior the feed so ya and so the bam no pay ya want to maso tababu ya to so me patro da so tin kura so ya de so de ba me ko Manchester City bobo kura so ya me ko etuma ba utro Manchester City bobo kura so ya Abrante Fede Manuel Oba for me Akanji to do not for Akanji a player o se kan e Man City bobo kuno na me atuma me patro Man City bobo kuno o mo ko se kan against Real Madrid bobo kuno na me atuma retele encounter no now, me part according to report, I know the paper say Capata say Abrante for the Manuel Oba for me Akanji. Na me antuma me part this weekend game etoja Man City bobo kudi sta kaino on to me sta kain former City bobo kono afena me atuma retele encounter against Real Madrid bobo kono Abrante into me sta kain against Real Madrid bobo kono osabe missing gamer right after Real Madrid game no Man City really for bobo kono so the board no anya de sam already did Manuel Oba for me Akanji and some Basi kai Edema City bobo kuni to a big blow and so the Man City bobo kono and 20 kakano no pay and also bam the first City bobo kono masoya and so the pardon no pay want to ma edem amam we to better so get a shooting kuda so den so the bar your first City bobo kuda so ya na fe ye kwaku yetuma na be piasom etuma kwento adoro ma be ko Facebook kuda so o ko Facebook kuda so Sompa 93.1 FM na fe wo follow na wo sham na to message ne pardon no pay ya be kenkan so taba we to better so me patro me Abrante for John Duran a player was second and Nastel bobo kono me patro already to the Cristiano Ronaldo when you're 18 years and Abrante for John Duran I for a promoting that's what me who Abrante for John Duran so say John Duran ababenini when a Cristiano Ronaldo eja pitch bakoso busia kain at the same club now Abrante for John Duran as you fan to the greatest of all time best we are football sense of football as well by open all-time greatest also on it or come will be at the say a branch for the Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro El Temporano San Rapido Burkina El Bito to the finish Ronaldo or same or no any the best players I see so what about Bantina to pass on Ronaldo as well as Kanuna Saba a branch for the John Duran or say kind about Anasel Bobokono Wababantang another pay and so Tabatuja Nami Patrona came back also to be Toja I was Saudi Arabia Pro League me Patra Nasel Bobokono woman Ali Bobokona to Bunny now me Patroni stand game in Koda players almost a kind about Ali Bobokono Makumako 5 and me Patroboko Ronaldo dressing room number so Ronaldo Epo Jessino me Patrobako Pen and said to be Kaya and we are Brantia the Denner Francasi was the Academy Ali Bobokono or no enemy Patro player Ronaldo to the Jessino at the man players Makumako 5 and when you call dressing room say Ronaldo Yepe with Jessino Yepasi and team a sister Ronaldo says see that I call Francasi when I'm did Jessino and so at the Babam and Tanika Cadona pay and also bar yeah want to Mateba we had to better so now me Patro enjoy a Brantia for the John Duraka was screen so ko aye TV so rescan would take quote and Sompa TV on Sabaka now for you enjoy a branch for the John Duran the patro sensor wadaru and patro rabuko siakai edaba anasa bobokuno express a branch de yana no thing and as a good talk continue the video and some about Facebook so more the video the battle TV so na fe bibia some etobakwe na me patro ye free no ye kwakwe tuma no mame enye tuma kakra we ewa branch for Anthony play was siakai edaba Manchester United Bobokono Manchester United from Ekofa Brante for Anthony woman de 90 million euros Ekoma a years after the Bobokono Anthony Bra Nebesia Kain Emma Manchester United Bobokono or buy Atene Panche and you menquay and so for Brante for Anthony now Antonio Mucha the son Cobolon deal and for Real Betty Bobokono a Brante started and your football now Master the Kuncha was enough for Jetta Bonoso a Brante the chain no the room no Shego or Japan Krati me patron no against aye gent Bobokono monfa picture don tom aye screen so abrante for Anthony bebia no ogina na fei me patron to be ball go edim na Real Betty Bobokono nyasem ketokro na no ten anyasem ketokro na no reporter no pay me say ka patasem abrante for Anthony obetuma aye ne call up na me atuma next month abra ye be Roma international break no coach no obetuma invited so be say kan enso from Barcelona set team no when you say me patron the last a year 3 games and that's in the first 3 games one ball I never Real Betty Bobokono I branted it to the first game no man of the match the second game no man of the match no I said to much ago me patron the 10th game no fay I branted them assign etma boko I never Real Betty Bobokono no I branted for Anthony na to the busansa what was wrong with Anthony our Manchester United then na koso our Manchester United Bobokono na branted for Anthony on to be mojuma as on for Manchester United Bobokono and team and a reporter on a pay and also me patro Paris and Bobokono wamo dia tom aya Juve Bobokono ni musa sa brante for rental column 1 is sabo pesa ni deal no aya permanent dia 50 million euros aya sika mubetiam edema PH Bobokono na fei abrante for rental column 1 is straight to so pachuma at the amaju Bobokono tade reporter on a pay and also Piero Hincapi still kind at the ball Vacuze Bobokono Tonamos performable permit to just 70 million euros at the Amali Vacuze and Bobokono already to them to engage me con Grace Grizo to the friend to engage my better fan let it come out to Neswa. Me patro way a players already to the Diego Simeone in Empire for or more prepare so make my from Bakuna Fe what to replace already to Antoine Griezmann Lautaro Martinez Alazada Ishak and for Dibola Lukman way any players me patro let to come to Bobokono or more shadow most of it to come back to replace Antoine Griezmann after me patro Hurricane report about another paper say Hurricane what share the real scores now me patro Pierre I will be able to Bobokono so say a bit of a English class no a bit pass for Baba for Brante for the Hurricane. Nami Patrono offer you convince and quite the Hurricane bit to a jar. Bermont to Bobokuno, control the course. No, so our Premier League Grimo, me patron Manchester United Bobokuno, and of Chelsea Arsenal, Todamos Bobokuno, women are reporting on the pay Seka Patasa, they are thinking about a Brante for the Hurricane, and they are reporting on the pay, and also Bam, they want to master to we have to better so live on Sompa 93.1 from a better 4. Are you ready? Yeah, Babatin, come on, now for be Pearson, Tobacco be Pato already thing, and it should be this season. Netana says away, no, the Pato, a move for, and so call at the Brantia, your friend Killian in Papel 10, already taking Killian in Papel, or pursue a career like already taking Cristiano Ronaldo, Nemo Messi career there, and now they say in the break cry. I know any Brantia for the Killian in Papel, the feeder say, and so the Papa Kuaha, and of a prince, as what Mata say, yeah, Babbetin, come on, I'm a be Pearson, at the pair, at the Pomadista, Ubetobacco, impost, Heba, Mestano, Quaco, there, Yapido, Nabo, Panamicato, say, or post netro, impost about Mestababo, I'm a immune system, no straight man, build the Kamanafe, what man tell Nasso, I'm a be Pearson, to be pay me Pato Yadia, Edukuni Pejano, Obo, the hospitals, Akonyaba, one no Nasso Yadinin to me call, Pomodism, impost about Mestano, and no been over pen, not for one of them, Yadibia Betane, at your Philip General, and of a impost pharmacy, and Penifort, bad Dr. Sapu, Potimapa, was a say a profutro, and I said, be draw, oh, Boba Tedafe, what could impost pharmacy, Nami Patro, impost pharmacy there, a bonnet Tafamutu, Albanian for so the pray, Bibiabe to a queer so Tamau, impost Hebamas and open the tour, and then Periform, and in comma 0246 2084 96 0246 20 8496 Yahoma, Obetuma Frey imposter by Mester, not for them for as some etimating Komokama, I'm a BPM, Etuma so Tamami Patronano pay, ultimate come a fan to the cloud internet. I have a baby come for them, sir, and no more Koyajuma Panomu Jomonasopa, a bunny internet connectivity dear, woman and a bit more quality network come on. I'm a patron BPS to my quay Tama say beer, we a radio company and us, we a company beer, obey you through internet in Quadia and a cloud internet and of a me patron and periphone command me catch say woman ya shoboni omudiagra okotokron kasoda e bia me patron streaming now network ni ntimi nye stable dia promote se bitu ram e ye cloud internet na fe wo metuma sha no metuma se so kama e ban hotspot and of a ban me patron internet connectivity e ban Wi-Fi me patron mom etima kote pomo special service ama when is wetuma de pa e ban IPv4 installation of a surveillance awodwa and of a ban CCTV camera installations. I would do the patronal room, our cloud internet. No fay, yet to my show, come and yet to my station, Yama quality service. Yet you're crying our top high. Abostana Love FM woman, Yanes Abostano, and the team Shadimu. The same building of Kuma woman rub bank. I want about cloud internet to be patroning for any command. Now yet you're top high. Mount Refisa, you will take a quarter so, and then periphone comma 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 Yahoma Bitra Free Cloud Internet Trafe when in perform also estimating common patrol Monfanche pass a network no enye stable Monfanche pa ye movie video no at the free her at the akọ ehia it is bia uhu erobia na sem uhu timato bia na dia che Sompa FM also the bia mobile quality na mu nyame adoma every Monday ekono ye call ye studio ho ewo ehia overseas junction ho no benya quality pictures benya quality network bia enyama bekoye enso e the amount papa poku patro mo ati bibia boko de
minya bibia boko sembia nyamai
ose
sembia nyamai
sembia nyamai ba sem wo ye dru fia me no wasem pa
ona me twɛn
ye
dru fia ene nsentwo dwuma
ene ye dru fia
general manager ni ebisa a question o say some say me ye boy me I'm putting it on
what say we general manager of Editorial stars
o say monko
ana we boy ana
yeah he stated it say monko efi yeah that's it I made that statement, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yanko, look, we guys think we are joking or what? Yanko.
Teacher, so on the general manager.
Say Yanko. I mean,
I was saying, but the salary is crown one a.
Oh, no players contract only baby.
Only baby players to contract.
Look, Oye Penny, I'm not in a position to do this with him. But if you want to go, my friend, I don't want to do that with him, please. Baby, that's again. In command, the focus should be primarily on getting to the bottom of that gruesome murder.
Okay.
So what I say? Yeah. Any other attempt to sway it, me didn't command me catch you say. In so far bad, I just watch and so no.
Debbie.
Born head hebebo. But then I just say next time, yeah, Adriana need me better go kuni. 'Em. Well, everybody should be worried about that. About you know, my mubia na Georgia, so Uncle Country be say, Utia salary is good. You get the point?
Yeah.
Let's be serious. Come on, cause let me say, one drink also. You didn't make the agrache. The prince to assume you
and some will feel pa.
Same movie.
Where initial comment about it. But you be fear. You be doing come pa. So prince meet you.
I'm very much interested in that because same word no man and when I make no. And I babontia in such moments na moi cry. Now openyi we dem Mr. Mama kunya ketu ebi. So uni menne. So uni menne.
Oh, and that Sir Prince birthday. Sir Prince, happy birthday and happy Valentine. Yes, Sir Prince. Ono akase da so no. We when ya because we 34 companies on the watching in kwa. It be true school fees on the top no. Sir Prince. Ana or that's one no. Why dead? What just here? Akwane kache ni over and my head the rough.
Oh, but and then birthday no. Only say a kaketu e bi nka ma me ye wonders. Yabusu anim. Minu aba panyi February. Minu aba ma panyi February. Mi ankasa me February.
Wow.
Na minu aba ma panyi no. Ye friend na nakodwo boaten.
Okay.
Ono say 14 February ne ya. Nti enne menin mi ne die be yes minu apanyi no. Our Editorial mining company hono wo be bra panyi no no
okay
kakao no I say actually nkomo no
okay kakao no yeah
na me bra ba kunso Accra and ne kwasi o mo bo me ho birthday gala
sound
ni paketo me bra ya odasi
na so nya ni paketo Debbie prince nya ni paketo
me kwa Accra me bobo pa nti mini ho no o mo body ahye mi nua na mu nti gatuso ene me birthday guarantee o select e bi be come side na e bi akọ no side indicatuzo nya we share very happy birthday nyankopon hwa onye onso kese pa now opanyi ma mi nwan nsem ni mu na mi ni nkomo kakra
Mr. Mo de messages about complaining about network no
oh yes
Mr. Mo yes medical e atomonim say ye move free hanti nyema bi wo ho a unya ne pepepe to say ye wo peno no ti we dey Mr. Mo fanche na
always
you go so by Monday ni bibia be okay yankuenim
now opanyi yenwura mu straight away enra on say European games ni bi ba the Europa League and the Conference League but game ba kwa many was so no Union Singlewa omone elbow ko for my years game na course you see what caught my interest was the other day na papa poku ka team no ho asem about one young boy papa friend Francesco Farioli edini ginamu in the game Abrante friend Joti Mukulo something like that Mikolo or something like that
okay
he's a very young boy 16 years of age and he many call the team so but after realizing something about this team no I feel like say papa friend Francesco Farioli the Italian international mon fan into so my name kan ho asem keto abi he's 35 years old on a daso onim say this man has been working tirelessly since 2009 or Italian into a coaching career in Italy coaching some of the young teams or more undersized no into a chassis or honum Venezia Benevento he coached US Sassuolo or munina undersized no into one or chassis free and from there or kopiemu Turkey he became the youngest coach in the Turkey Super League
wow
ofi honor call France OGC Nice so or a young man 35 years but it seems like I say why adwuma in a very long way etimi agada some experience and over PMU or Ayas in last year and I said just this season or the Ayas Elbow A League no you could clearly feel say when you have some impact on the team clearly you could feel Ayas last season almost defeat in the Eredivisie last 2 seasons they were third so clearly you could feel say this time around no League table na Ayas ne di kind giving PSV and Noven a very good run for their money. And over a kwanya wafa so de Ayas team no ebo omo league na do say so call domestic cup nene European competitions na enche dan koye ma no the KMVB cup obre and the Europa League no omo bon so obre but yet if you go to the league clearly you could feel say when you a major impact in the league omo fa starting lineup into so no omo Union Singlewa no people were thinking so or call outside no ntimi montie bia no game no ontimi wini Yensha Adibu say this is the man 35 years old. She started lineup audition the team nase. Pas via other goalkeeper other goalpost name there. We all know say one of the old players Nibia 41 years in Tiemfa na Asem Ontonche. But looking at the entire team no, or the some experienced players and now blended together with some young chaps on mobile ball no ebony. And so how many more Abenya Steven Berghuis or 31 years. Oben Finfi Abenya David Klassen 31 years. But Odo Wumi and Nutonche together with the goalkeeper. Look at the rest of the players. When you cry 23 years, 24 years. Young chaps in Kwa. And we know say Ayas is one of the clubs, sir. If they start doing these things, sir, give them 2-3 years. You see their players everywhere in the transfer market. People chasing after them. And I think say Papa, your friend Francesco Farioli, he has learned something with near education from the Italian Serie A. A quite almost fast one defending. Into your omo league no more bona. Omo are considered just 16 goals, and they are the least considered team in the Eredivisie. It tells you how only impact in the team. And I think that if you give this man some few years, with the team net that no, Eric Ten Hag money more believe you me, he can also replicate that. Because our young chaps and all the experienced players now blended. Now one enka Jarole to Huasem. Sutalo one enka Huasem. They are always in the news. And now Abrante FN El Mukulu no so Ababeka, a young chap 16 years, playing his heart out in games for Mobono. So clearly you could feel say if you give them some few years, one of the teams almost be provided the Donny van der Beek, the Frankie de Jong, the Matthias de Ligt, more a kind of a talent in the European football. So it's a very good thing that Papa friend Francesco Farioli is doing. We really need to look at that man, give them 2 years, and they will do something proper. John Duran, a man for Canasem, and now when you serious no Akako share Anasa team, Nimu, or any talent to Kutana or Penny. Frankly speaking, there are a lot of teams in Europe. Abrantiwi, Senye Anason or Koya, and Cassizine and they are combat chasing for his signature. And even when he was in Europe, we saw the kind of air pressure and air call Tottenham Aston Villa. And we saw said there were some teams that normally eagerly waiting for his signature. The Tuaka Kopimo Anasa, the talent there, no doubt. He's a proper goal pusher. And also our that kind of energy.
Anasa attack and Ronaldo, Sadio Mane, John Duran.
And right behind them, Otavio and the Marcelo Brozovic. Wow. And but this particular person, or more Montiasi, the Intia, or then a talent now Kakopio. Look, if you don't follow some of these things, there are some decisions be a cost for own Tiasieda. Omonfa Anasa, Omu player salary in Fantos in the This is John Duran. He's not from a rich background.
Okay.
And you say be Omu that poor, but he isn't from that kind of rich backgrounds, maybe. Now, Shadebi was say, Oko Anasa team numa Cristiano Ronaldo.
Way weekly.
And a yearly the end saying.
Okay.
200 million. And a Ronaldo.
For Ronaldo.
Yes, in a year.
A year.
Sadio Mane, 40 million a year. America Laporte 24 million a year. Marcelo Brozovic 24. John Duran just saying
20 million.
And you are expecting such a huge amount for a player who doesn't come from one of the richest backgrounds. Say at this deal about the two of him. Or say there be a lot of man who are born a mutu me. Or so this are going to be
a lot.
Yes, or say there be made the menko. No. You need to understand where they are coming from. So
me say, we bought with Europe. Let's say, we are back. Let's stay with Europe.
Come on. Those send a talent needed, frankly speaking. Season corner we are. And I believe that this man will get one of the big teams to play. But, Oko big team now, are they going to pay him this kind of money? No. Vinicius Jr. contract Ben Madrid for the Atunedima or so on. 50 million.
15.
John Duran Kwana so what you saying? And 20. So look at the difference in there. Try to understand the players. And don't just hate on them. Say, maybe an anchor or club B penty, waka question or wasting a talent. No. At the end of the day, no penny, who you now continue. You are not going to be looking at, especially such players. No, yeah, sure, more achievement ni bebreu. They wouldn't be in the news. They wouldn't be in the system that much often. And way, for me, I'm totally in agreement with John Duran or call Honum. It's kind of work out pudu and work out bottom. So people should calm down for this kind of deals. Naya players in the Ruben Amorim in Semna now can you are saying the man management skills. No
players not started complaining.
Complaining.
So he is so closer to Bruno Fernandes and
Diego Dalot. There are some make us a part of the players or be omu bebre.
I say more pot omu free Portugal or Yadomo.
And the reason is so clear. You see, me one particular person, Ruben Amorim Airbano, for that they make us same way. I said it clearly, say this man coming to Manchester United, if he is going to be able to succeed, there are some number of players oh Manchester United team now, he wouldn't want to work with them. And you know, any other coach and Ankebeshe Ruben Amorim and Elmoa, it will be the same thing. There are some players in the Manchester United team, they are not cut for Manchester United club. No. Their egos and how they treat themselves, their normal daily character, no, it doesn't go with the Manchester United, the kind of culture. Intinya Ruben Amorim nkwa and about United and Kobe selective. But the problem here is right now he should understand one thing. You have a contract with the club. You have a target to achieve. And he said, "Oh man, is so clear. At a point in time, yenyambo season in year, these players could gang up against you. Na Manchester United and Rome, even in the top 10. What do you think, say, and penny for no margin by almost? Do some amount that contract, no, I think it was 3 years, right? 3 years neither winning. But Manchester United is a club on my pen. They can sack you. Emotional and near man, they can sack you. So all you need to do in such instances, try to calm down, try to work with what you are having. Don't make it clear. Because here can Ruben Amorim is a young coach. I also have in Oba. Though he did something spectacular with the Sporting CP team, but I feel Oba, he shouldn't make these things clear. And Giovanni Quenda, if he gets him at Manchester United, young chap, Obebuet him 19 years anyway. Me have been calling for a brand friend Pedro Concalves. So opesa omba that inverted wingers now. He's one particular player or a cut in the mode. Oh, bet me have Manchester United. Oh, there be not that, but there are some players obey here. Oh, we be sitting a style of play. Once the last time I may catch or say a person on translating a style of play right from Sporting to Manchester United team. And if he's going to be able to do that, there are some players via or cast in that shape or meet me abuano. But right now he should calm down. Chelsea give him no penny. The last time Brighton, there were some big name players and no pro Brighton team. Chelsea quiet say na Nicolas Jackson mobi na Maguire mobi make I say Maguire no Nicolas Jackson mobi Kopama Pedro Neto Noni Madueke Jadon Sancho. How on earth do you have all these players and lose against a team or not equally? They were missing Carlos Baliba, their main talisman in the midfield. They were missing some key players. But Chelsea went ahead and lost. So and now money Brighton come on. How many Brighton is able to be? Can say Chelsea beat and then get Chelsea in Brighton Brighton and Brighton annex. Okay, yeah, I get it.
Brighton,
I get it.
Versus Brighton annex.
Okay, yeah. Kasi Dunkwa.
Debbie. Omo judge goalkeeper coach. Omo judge coach. Omo judge sporting director. Yeah.
In fact, in Kofu, okay.
Brighton and Brighton annex
neighbor.
Brighton B.
Chelsea really needs
Brighton and Chelsea neighbor.
Good. Brighton B and Brighton A.
It's one Brighton B no.
Brighton B and Chelsea. Oh, set him no. Omo Chelsea no omo ntimi nye no. And omo so omo Brighton blueprint no.
Yeah. Lawrence Stewart Munya said that's where they came from, so you need to understand.
Maybe not Bernardo.
Grandport obe hard in power.
Obey na dwuma ko. Mu goalkeeper's coach Brighton. Mu goalkeeper Sanchez Brighton. Caicedo Brighton.
Video analyst
Kukureya Brighton. Why? Edi mo ko ne no. Ebi san wo ho. Amanfo wo ho no ma mo hwe na mbo a.
Kofu so almost as a shout not that squad
No.
Rizla is working there. He's really working.
So I say, and then the Valentine's Day, look, Kofi Boache, who nigga and dinner, no divine cover, you'll be ample, one on bonum. Oh, Kofi Boache no excellent. So, my boys not chim, 10 times chichim. So, Obi ampen and I don't bonum, Kofi Boache no bonum. Until now, only the Chelsea. Until said, Yamian Fefi net, not Chelsea Lusuana Dria. Kofi Boache weekend.
Obeda kwa asai. Kofi Boache nyame mo and na Chelsea be win.
No brabo no born and any day. Obesa ko twabet.
Ana so ko bet.
Anti ono no ye be di ni sika. Asa di nani ji anwumre.
Say Chelsea lose wa.
Assembly.
To football Chelsea no e ma reho. Ichi weekend beat me asay. Bas the anya. Oba no aduane dey teche no re. You know, there are some in the hard dream. But and then match no. Yen na ebe bi. For just one reason. Kaisedo ko. Baleba beshim. Baleba no bobo ne pa.
Baleba no. Someone or here left in midfield was also control midfield one.
Emre na dane. E na yen football no eyegu.
Oh, say I got Davis no he left but he was controlling the midfield. Aye.
Baleba chain or chain dim.
Baleba they say
by yen football no egu anisa. Aka krebi na ewu.
Oh,
of course. These are the kind of talent we produce. Midfielders. Say bad midfielders for Africa. There's strikers ni any be. Until Roger Miller. Eto. Omunina Mboma. Na Ghana the striker bu Anthony Mbaba kwa BFM. Basem yem produce midfielders. Keche agro. Number left tape power almost 6.
Or what power?
Sule die. Maybe ojine bi osma bo aneba. Say ye pass, say ye short. Obe ball Sule aboko. Sule nam.
Sule.
Obo sa wo kes. Born sa under 20, under 17
to the world stage.
To the world stage. Yeah. Inti no nye di yen hu bi den ni nene no ye da form say
team
left tape left number 6. Opeja ni ti pass. Akwa the controller power.
Wow.
Emre na dane.
I had the opportunity to watch Sule from Okes. Baba Yara.
Obetima kan yi.
Rate. Sule. Na obone captain pa kwenya boa o jame for those was small boss e ba.
Okay. You ko ntide so for Bale Babo so ni agi Black Stars yen bia. Sule Mutai. Yen atwam. Minim mfia wedi 2008 AFCON opening game. Ghana ni Guinea.
Yeah.
Small ball be na fast calf and do that was a winning goal. Ball ne be 1-1. Sa ball ne ma winning something like that. Pascal Fendunu.
Yeah.
O general sa no na Guinea captain that no ball ball.
Pascal.
Me the boy dream dey me wie. So the Mutai kunga grow no kra. Anti no. Yaw ene areho. Michael Osei, na me fa ne crancy.
Yeah.
Mbapa ka Michael Osei ho asama Michael Osei. Iriasi nyina. But then kakra bi na me tape na say ampa. Mbapa oka Michael Osei no aka Stanley Abura.
Yeah, Stanley
call Netherlands na Stanley Abura e penny but so mo Bogana ball no crack kakra bi a. Oh, I see.
Wow. This no omo yen crofo mu kra talent.
Okay, jai.
Technically gifted and talented.
Because who krum ha no enko yie. Enye e bon kon. But enanwume no Caicedo versus mini Caicedo. And they are on Fifi. Now, Iria, a bisa Chelsea say, why no more pay?
Oh, by a Chelsea be show.
I don't know problem.
Chelsea be still show.
Nipa any problem near Kofi Boachina only game. I don't know any problem. Yeah, they are because strikers be back human agree. We see Jackson, you are well back the all. So Sancho ntimi ma gosa. João Pedro no the on the ball number 10.
How do you know?
João Pedro no. How do you know? Bobo ni bi. No asan je akoshew. Ntini e be fi ani sei. Kukure akoye no.
It when you a Chelsea match no
one. Supinian so wo ho. Chelsea ni Brighton B na ebo. Omama left back. Omama number 6. Mi Thomas so.
Say Levi Cole is omo na tete the match.
So ntini so the way they say
now Sanchez the Sanchez better.
And in the Jorgensen no better say number 1 JC now mo dia man no. Okura mu twitwe and as Sanchez inside bra.
Assembly.
Then it should be a good game. I think Chelsea would nick this one. Yeah, I have that feeling based on the fact that Omar budgets the FA Cup not long ago. So Chelsea, my Brighton show almost second timer.
There's a coach in that powerful.
I better throw spanner into the works of their top 4. Because Omar Makani in Abebo, everyone winning Chelsea results, which might not be so good. Right.
Yeah.
Injuries in the Eka football now. Injuries. Eka. The more you play, the likelier you are going to get injured. Sanity. What's the sanity? Intimate coach.
Pochettino say enche ombe face sani man.
They have to, because it be why overload. O kasa be bra o ne beko. O ball no bro so o body ni be jam. And until Mohamed Salah because 8 years he has missed 10 games.
8 years.
Yes.
Mohamed Salah
10 games.
Through injury.
Massa.
Proper consistency.
10 games. We no so okeka say yes Joe Tabeko no pre Prado Diaz beko no news beko money any Firmino and they started from 3 no. And Salah beka 2017. Sa nipa kro no nyina onim ball boss yom nyina.
Hey.
Yeah. Man Salah Firmino.
Salah ni ball boss Salah man.
Boss yom mi onu nyina. Streets ahead. Okay. Onim boss yom. Omo jane hoko Saudi. Guy no LED. Europe top scoring chart. Not just that. He's on course to give a season that is better than the other man Liverpool 17-18. That's incredible.
Mohamed Salah.
Yeah. Gakpo, doubt. Salah, doubt. You try rotate Gakpo.
Yeah, together with Luis Diaz.
But Salah ne hono, Chiesa ne ho. Omadwe say Chiesa either so nya de bebre, and answer onye fit. Inti ne Salah bo match biasa. Inti bompa ye ma onwe oye athlete say when it comes to sports, availability is everything.
Okay.
Nipa me be omni mbone plenty
unavailable.
You know, you've got to see it differently.
10 games.
10 games
in 8 years. Mo Salah.
I'm missing 10 games in 8 years through injury.
Wow.
It is okay so man his car.
8 years. 10 games.
Dem Salah ewa upper hand on the negotiations. No. What this say also manini. Look at my numbers. One will be saying me England, Obi and Europe, Obi and and Kodeni. Me see games. Which was me prepare. Even at this age, I'm still playing for you. Okay. That one you know. Obeko, Liverpool will sell him in the summer. On Beton. New replacement. Liverpool will throw money at Isaac.
Honestly, we interested.
Yeah. No, but aside from our interest. You have to pay what Newcastle want.
150 million pounds.
So
has he done enough work to get that money?
Players go.
Alexander Ishak, 150 million pounds.
Yeah, Obama is going to say I go Ishak. I'm almost 60 million pounds. Your turn at the end.
And a determined price no.
This also pay Saka. Nibuni. Untumia. Kona kofa little ken no meboma. Asem ni tiawa.
We no longer.
Nya fe na obegina abek kan sem bibre. Ono to ni baby. Onya obede Isaac ba beje Carabao. Onya odi Isaac beje FA Cup. Onya odi Isaac be top form league ni beda wo betima. Wo se o je nefi ni nsem. Ya kokko bi de. Omujidi pa se Diaz epesoko.
Luis Diaz.
Yes. Or 2 options. Say a quine bemwa on person. Option number 1, Nico Williams.
Bilbao.
Yeah. Now, my dream was Barcelona still retain an interest in Diaz. And this Barcelona truly that could see up Diaz and Pa said the open last time and no bet Waswa. Then he blocks the path of Nico Williams to Barcelona. And then it makes them a candidate for Nico Williams. Uniwa, why be him a number call? Wow, here find out and say, or more Hajj be or dream boy be a watching children in the ponytail be. He's somebody they want. Yeah.
Agrano.
Aye. Or the Hajj, Eunice or Hajj Yanis, or both find out watching children in the ponies are or your journey.
Is he mature for the Premier League?
But they want him. You know, I'm saying Liverpool in him honey there'll be a upheaval. And my best is going into the summer.
Now, Isaac, can you see the real material? Coach in
No,
this try would cook.
I don't know your name is. How I do be me who be a. It's Mr.
Isaac Salah Cody Gapo Salah mus
Say be reality there.
You can put these guys on the pitch.
Isaac, Mo Salah.
You see,
Football is not
played on
Football
is not played on paper. Chemistry is everything. Who would have thought says Salah, Mane, Firmino beat my the number that time? Because now Son, Nick Kane, and Lucas Moura were the other side.
Yeah.
Son was better than Firmino in terms of returns. Time I will buy Leverkusen and Firmino off no. Until when you might be pushed to think that we know where we are or some ball.
Now Isaac no idea. And a sort of penibia. A typical number 9 now or drawback involving in play.
No, they say, I make a chair on it. Number 9 there. Can be Kuriska. Can be bizarre hurricanes until age, so 8 years. No question. He's the perfect definition of what Arne Slot was talking about.
Okay. Papa worry. Yana umra ba if you there and them no pa.
And me say me
and them no
course na start e.
And Sadia mama me techa yin nyina so. Na yin
no, I genuinely doubt you come. Because of my friend.
Sound.
Yeah. I doubt, especially with me here. He won't come. Come on.
And but if our friend.
So I'll plead.
Eti Sabri meet you Koswana. Between the general stars need to
No. We don't even need to have a meeting, Mr. Joe, by now or on the farms. But they make a say.
Okay.
Again, as a club, Adriana's preoccupation is 1, solidarity with the deceased and his family. 2, to ensure that he has started football now. We are playing under the right conditions. Okay. COVID by any into your salaries.
Or say, or some players will be contracted running.
That's it.
COVID
by any into your salaries. Contract in the running. Normalization by no into your salaries.
Namutia.
Contract in the running.
Okay.
Born, ye bebo. For sure, team.
Okay.
We will play the football again.
But I said the right things, my
mama kase na play and walk about football intino. Yen kase bia ebe undermining ye.
Okay.
I mean it.
Okay. Me da say Bishop Atapokuni atene kano. Madam ma ye da ho ne ba. Ye ba ye beto so en sabo do bebre and eba ye be see.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing. But nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Mama Baba, gentleman dental clinic, you do not be a year, say, this is you say, I am more single by Amaru, and so at the and I say, or say, animal so far and to my papa. If you fix one more, and I say, I have for a permanent one more, and also you see a ultimate into the no, and you feel a PFM group, and I say PFM crowd. I feel the sign cleaning services about your profession, the money, your friend is killing and policing. Say, India, and near my be as she says, a son, said, you Okasa, it's near my pampa, and I the able. Over gentleman dental, you get me in the gentleman dental clinic. You will for Libya Central Police Station and Chenwa. And I would do all kinds of sway you will and atomic down, don't make being a runabout on so. And I would do tap the pipe one, traffic light now, a pipe one, or the OGN bank now with the same premises. And I catch him so your magazine market of Quinasua, or Anasi opposite AY Ahmed. And I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, total filling station, traffic lights now, and you share G runabout on the total filling station. I have Simon and Edio. The year you free Eda Dwada Popem Eda Memeda. It's me, Afreya Omano, 055 913 9582. If I shall be a shot, you'll value.
And that's okay. What do you should have seen about Queen Wayne.
Bra, said your time about Mr. Essia Jimmy fearful, and not the about the ever so.
You may do this over now.
Bra, some cousin the time about Mr. Wadancia, Racing in our Ebertinka, 87 malaria, what the time about Mr.
I know go, dear, no what you want to me any deal. What the time about Mr. A great and your map or bar waffle food, the one map or down for any up or down when you feel do you know, and some of the time about Mr. Green Bill. She's a walk hospital and I said, I'm what we say, who a GD malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME, time about Mr. I feel malaria in the other Ziba, a woman, even slap. We're going to be at all over the counter medicine sellers and we have our shop to draw name. FDA Aji Editorial Cratway at all.
I was like, I can't do a major to narrow who's a woman said. I will fuck it to 2 years. I can never. It's the African Spider-Man. I may have fuck it to him when any problem here. Then the big cost for you to come when you already won't be. African Spider-Man and Baby say what of but preoccupying with African tax, what Baby say what of now secret piano anything. Imbus herbal mixture and any secret. Now you tell me how to cut out from. And a police me do what dance and say, many names son say, Namisoen, a boosting immune system. I'm a submitting a minute. It's me the come on. I'm going to call it so across the crash with Yale. I'm my lattice latitude in your back. And yet, no cost. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing? I'm a cratching.
When you Imbus herbal mixture, our pharmacy and also herbal shops. I pay for any column if you're doing FDA aggregating that way at all.
If you want better future, join the rose. Cause I could be the future. Join the rose. Just be one for the culture. Join the rose. To say you might do for Ghana. Join the rose. Ghana
Yamu, Pekoya, we have first Juma, and now at Jumaqua, and first one so ever creating any 80 vets and Nia. So, one fast sound, the Busia, and we put more acetinamo, but star 718 star 50 hash, not the Kahu Sosia. Ghana grows, top day. Ghana grows Jumedi, Mastercard Foundation, Miss Springboard Roadshow Foundation, Limehouse, you are blood for the Debro.
Mamisha, time HH about Mr. Binaomi, and your what dropa, and your draw, a yadro say, a manipedian kwamwano enya hwaden, na akwatia yare, and train yare and san wakoto, fire wadro, nanono abribia. Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe josono. When more and the time HH heba mister edia bejaso. Akwa wenye mfishe dumienu enumbi. Wapin for any oba wama kroni for ensu enumbi. Time HH heba mister. Ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop dudu na mu.
Sawa pedudu trafre 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH Heba Mr. Ejadro say FDA Aje Ejadien Kratwe Atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3-layer toothpaste, Total Care, Herbal, and Lilac. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing. but nothing better than having it saved. BetSaver.
Nti Cinco yɛdase paa wɔpro ne minimum kama wɔde afi sɛm ne ba na 21st clinic sɛ bra na ɛba no lab ana afei scan services a 21st ɛbɛ more quality paa bibia bɛkɔ yɛ so diama ɛba no massage and machine treatment a wokɔ 21st clinic na yɛtumi treat you yie paa 21st clinic ɛyɛ sciatica expert yadeɛ bia ɛduru ku nipadua no bia wode afa kɔ 21st clinic ne mmom mepatro tenie wonam hɔ na woto ase enti ne ɛtwetwew wosire mu ɛtwetwew ɛtumi so sisi sɛ woampɛ ɛho asɛm anka a wotumi nya stroke wotumi bugu hɔ ɛno na 21st clinic sɛ bra woba nyankopɔn nam ɔmo nsa so saa nneɛma no nyinaa to bɛtwa bɛyɛ ten of the past na wotatanseɛ ɛso aba ɛne 21st for any nkɔmmɔ kumase deɛ yɛwɔ ahwia overseas junction 21st clinic ɛbɛn alpha radio 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Obuase Court Junction Obo Yecha Kwan Accra your Tomi Market and Afe Sunyan Kransa Techiman Takobe Bia Ube 21st Clinic Nafe when in Periform Yasu Etimatin Kumo best ever Bepacho bet to so bet na we channel Ube to me as the bet no into all best ever ho and one say me pacho bet na we channel be a baku bi eba be se bet na we channel nyina Ube to my bomb dear ye frim na for what must say we bet na kama it is a ultra better a ye betway best ever no egusu e bochuma pa and ya some ketwa kra yas toothpaste yas toothbrush and a ye products that come for them and senya bi wo person paste wo se pa ma wo se no bon ban e ma mo free cinema na fe wo se no ne ho ye dia wo de yas toothpaste and make come for them your yas total care Yas herbal toothpaste and after Yas whitening toothpaste. Baba de said in an sabe tobacco farmer bushiano na from Munusu about the brush now Yas brush in there. A ya skill for papa, a very rubber beer, a theme bianca wanka will be a baby, and your fools and a saba hoso tomato. It a button brush, a Yas toothbrush, na may come for the amount, a button toothpaste, the patro when toothpaste, na may come for the amount. Na may catch us a conducive for Africa for it to Baba de Sa or Sasso Ebe tobacco there. Now what to be used to a fay or bomb herbal and medical research center. Any baby may come for the amount. One am honest wakumano, a bow peri a fay. Be pacho wo kon ene wo beti akabom aso dendente uta wincha bomode so beto akọ obo herbal no akọ treatment no stroke diabetes hepatitis hypertension ni nyina no obo ye ho adwuma pa obo ene de precursor powder no abedwa so nya bi no ma a boost to immune system no ya de be jani de free pedwene mu o mo jani betuma ya adwuma ya ya precursor powder obo de aba no and na make come for dem ordin herbal bitters and as Prince 18th birthday it was so nya ordin herbal bitters no we went tomorrow no na Africa ni de odi birthday enyema bebre wom what I said birthday intime nkokwa na udrum paso so timi bop pampolu pabo sunkum de what I said bema de no onam ho a eni se keka ka bema bu ha woni ne kodem a just all prepare na te sa kasa ansa na sorry yeso a hefrede be 1 minute bosu awie na oda no home pomode se won se betumaka odin herbal bitters na ho be din ewo mpaso wata se papa bi no ejechro no bogum sa na yire be hedati wasan so hwehwe no mu be no so na menya madwuma nya odin herbal bitters libi na uba bodjuma pa bibia bekoyi enso dama obo me pacho kumase de ado to domanu ana ubehu obo atia kwan afei nkransa odwira kwan so obehu ye tia kwan ana afei kasoa official town ewo enkan ubehu ye tia kwan ene ye obo herbal and medical research center in komo 0249 761508 0249 761508 from una feno munin komo at this time yenjai emo mani nyina sinko ento aso one Mr. Work adwuma mo bana no de panya seketwa ti sinko what to say bibia bako de na tacha ya asem yenya nwie yo ha nti yanko ya ne boso ne yanko na school be no mo de obi a ne nsaba ko ni wotu America no
Adventist
oh yeah, very good but wrong
the coach na ka say
wrong
yeah. Well, on say a competition for disabled one, but this is a situation whereby he's able to compete with them.
But
I think they're very, very good because the kind of talent you could have.
Okay.
Frankly speaking. Very, very good.
So go to us.
Let us into Yaden Savannah, but me no can say sports minister. He's in town. I just say nyagro kwa me no ka say one ko company fo hia wi a onam kwan so a okopole afie sisi a obeso hia pole abusuafo o hia na wife ne nkoda no na cheze nkomo bia obi a no madi kama pa eno latest am dey ma sisi na yemfa nto dwa say Ashanti regional minister honorable Frank Amakohene on say eno ne kuma sa Asante Kodoko there's a management and supporters leadership ni hia na ose dia sie ni jese di wabehu ni dia wati ina no or the report na koma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama yenti Ashanti regional minister honorable Frank Amakohene. Yes inti ya yes video no be ready anti minim say ready okay inti ya nim na ready and ya the one some at the abre odwumade na IMC chairman of Kumasi Asante Kodoko ye na anana pia pinkra yemfa to dwa se papa no odinsem pia to dwa na ose de ato Kumasi Asante Kodoko no ebetima to team bia e wo Ghana yenti IMC chairman na pia pinkra
se ne osika Bible say dosu munene su do se munene se timaba yamba kwaba na asemi ato ma yandrin se eyokotokonko ana ato ebetumi ato obi a odi bobo achi bi ebetumi ato ye hwese me a ehyehyeye a ye de ato ho de GF4 to de ato ho no a ye behia momo apa se ne be ya ebetumi ede ye make sure say okwa stadium a obetumi no makra akọ a wo arehim say safe Kumasi adie ene nkran aka any problem kese we ka Kumasi ene nkran me pa che Asante Kotoko ene has ya nuano ene fight for a common cause na yes use national stadiums no any problem but do na yes e ko enchanchen na ye ko etu kwan ko outside na ehonum na nsem ne hye.
Yes, inti we ensem Kumasi Asante Kodoko IMC chairman na apia pinkra de tudwa na no pe de onsem de mam no se Ghana ha no ye league ni mu no Kumasi baba yara sports de man afra crash sports stadium pe ana se o hwebo a we safe de aka ni na no maza utuo ina na onsunu gujam fize wona de bibia timisi yentie na apia pinkra
na shishe ya Jeffrey ano insakaye bi aba yes we person emi house of force shwem ni na yanka mo bi enhwe em pray ho say ye jabo 2 days bi and now 2 weeks bi nti ye pray ho say ensan konkobo yenhwe we shishe ya omodi aba ye fa ni na to ho ye make sure say next time we be ko stadium a onu so bibia o se de enyehu bi eno kra beboa ye ama yenya dodo e stadium eno so beboa ye na
enti we ayen sama ewurade tudwa na no peye de wonsam edema modwumade so na Ashanti regional minister honorable Frank Amakohene yemfa tudwa se onsa no obomodin ekosra pole wife ne din komopi ne nkoda no ano ahyo mo se de obehunu ina no de kodan mampani na se bibi eto chema na se obi omo ha obi na challenge bia wo momodin ase mbama amaso ate na se wo mo ne Ghana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so bete na otia bibia be kama yentie Ashanti regional minister
If you say, hey, Yamon, that's also what you say. President, see the year, ha, Abusia, a little ma, the year, the two, I was say, Yabamubian, Mamo, and the Chumanasi, Uma, ya something. Now, the OCA, at the body and the idea of war. The buyer, and I don't mean penny family who say, eh, that was the now to them. So, the banana, ever coming. No, I'm an idea. See too much, you buy a busy room, no vision. No, I wouldn't, ever had any other quiet the first one. Everybody in a very crack, like
Way and some Ashanti regional minister, Honorable Frank Amwakweni Tudja, and opera on some Edemamo Award Medionsuna, former GFA spokesperson Ibrahim Sani Dara, and I didn't say Pierre Johnson Rana Accra. High Court Claire, lawyer question, former GFA boss. There's a Ben Sama. Adobe 5 years in between on Anas and our cleaning answer. Also at the point that Bassa Anas in a mask no na omra. Ha omra face to face no one question to Jin Twasuna Umunia Sam the Kama. Opino when Timen show up or to the Abanas and Ra Oma Clever Panano and opinion friend said
Yenya Anas and you're ready to send a mask no being.
Oh yeah, send it.
I know by no swing chess and some of the above
Yaklen in this
mamma testifying to the
okay. And sanity na Sanidara say, O Makwasi ante chitringwa. Yentie Sanidara.
Litrinkwa say omo hu say sa sinina omuko yiye no sinikwa bosremuka ya bia nkrofo yi ehihye ya omfesa omudi gu nani mu ase esai nyema nyina but ababede bi say wo a wo ye allegation say ana udi bb2 obi so no ye ma ho kwan say brabe yiwa no ana bra betre say ni ameka ye ni emigina so ne na ugania na tre say ni a wo ye no enye papa.
Sama former GFA spokesperson Ibrahim Sanidara di tubia na no pede on some de mama no chi no se na court na clear kwasi yantechi no gide pass brabia wi adu se kwasi yantechi be take Anas on visa Anas agunani mas ye pa yentie no
otumi take legal action against Anas because what say the juma what say ni di nyema bebre wo ho what say ni nyema bebre and into na omayasa prosecution here anko si again nkrofo bebre legal experts bebre kase he can consider that option menene kasa one kasa antremimum but legal experts bebre kase these are some of the options available to him so bet to me you know eno orakwesi yantechi nothing but say if these are the options available to him there on one kasa on any lawyers no omuntu to they say I dey talk masuma omuhwese ebeboa I think that he has to do it because you have to be in kromu ha na nipa na ba be say udin
sama Ibrahim Sanidara di tujwa na no pede on sam edemamna sports minister Honorable Kofi Adams. Papa nan sama okan ze utwado modern bono e fompa resource nenye na ogide pass e bia no ma bisu na nkoye nti no wura na me sa resource na mbe atoto no mama Ghana etan afananto apa frɛ bi yentie opanye fan se Kofi Adams.
The data is very poor. The data is terrible. If you're looking at the data only, then there's no way you, and that's why the FA itself took a decision to do away with all of them. So one was surprising that the head of the team was maintained, and then the rest were asked to it. So we will check. As for the data, you have it, and anyone looking at the data will know that no, this is no. But maybe something informed that decision.
When some Honorable Kofi Adams said to Jana no pay, ya don some edema Maduana sas penny pa, any fa opening a friend say, I teach ya don't have any tender and Yabusans opening. Na Ogotene Hana one he out about 2 just 17 clubs and a diacoda F and say leg and resume. Yentenchi moi open your fence teach ahen added to yanim.
But if it's empty, in Yakeswa. And it's so far about and said you, is Nipa 127 in Uganda, Yaya League.
The team, you know, but so say, you know, you couldn't say, who you put on the year. My young league in the year. And I'm saying, no one again. Because one, also, we need to pay our players. And then I have more, we need to pay rent. And contract, almost, and the contract is running out. We are also, your CAF and FIFA calendar, you follow. Now, I do understand, sir, over the weekend, you're very now, then you are, yeah, you're trying league, you know. Then you are son of secretary. And they say, make us say, you know, things in our editorial the entry league, you know. And you are make us say, and yet has to the Tisoa. Also, no, dear, on the Kotoko, and she said, I want to say league, you know, you're suspended indefinitely. If I want to get our summer, I want to the league in India, I see about.
When in some aduana sas penny pa techa hintana de 2 years men watch the busan so pani yatio sa okra no nya general manager emma team efense aduana sas na sa me sa na tie na etisa emu nchemu se na sitie
ma za homo de ka fili pa no mo kale na do hin na ka na ma homo na ka homo mini obi o ka se dia ka ke de se odidi a on cheniti na on san kwan why boy. But you go to the LP, the time there, your ICT8. Oko GF and also pay management best of it. Okay, care of it. They should go and check. When you general manager, boy. Yeah, boy, Maso, why? After the part, let's address the issue. I'm the general manager.
And bishop won so we are no. We are Nana do my hen e ka
oye general manager
Nana do my hen e ka so onye general manager
what si mo nko efo nko check
eni di wom yenko
na on na say kodokwane house of come the joint statement ba bonten amo epe slot ewo executive council no so tender e kasa fa ho
I mean, I tell the bar who is to bear the car. You are saying you go 18 class. Who do you say? Me are German. It's no executive council. Your mom is eminent to it. Because here also, a bargain of hard work and then the credentials. You know, Pokunti or your ESCO member. Oko Hasa, as for Tituku, or your ESCO member at the sort of the uncle. Who you have a council of at once. And I mean, this year make us a baby and the money to them. The Adriana, your ESCO election. Now you could your boy, Michael, the Umbra, football for the trouble. It's about the personality. Any brand, if I'm about, there's not about the team. Don't extra honor, almost Umbra, and my crossing the
way and some Adriana says penny pa. Open your fence, take your hand tender to any man on pay. Ya don't some of the mamma near General Fish Bob on the Sia. Now latest intelligence was home. And never your fortune.
Yo, and as same way, say, you best said, ya, young Koje Araba Bazin, what I say, or a mano, and Valentine Day na, Unya Araba Bazin, Ibinesa Onoma, Asia Obechesa, on say in Susu, Gugumo, and then Yama, Pacha, Kosu Wasiano, Bomonte, so Benya Araba Bazin, one numpi. Now, Unumbia, Ebema will libidono Akosropa, Asia Obe Kama, Bosome Swan, Nyafen Okoche, when Yatare. What I say, Araba Bazin in Madro, after Mr. Kill, as we remember, Bema Winya Mr. Kill, Parnes, Obobia, or when you're ding, would tell you, you're ding, or come pass to me for the pumping. And maybe be at me as at the mount, Mr. Kill, near Memedro, after Hunchu capsules, as we are Memedro, wow, Junsomo, Obre, Obo, Johnson, Tia Pa, and after the Johnson, it to be ba, Abra won't to be control, baby, or Nembia, where you be na or send home, Bomodesa, or Sabe Tobacca, Hunchu capsules, a Kunu, Ghana Limited, over the day, Abeda Suntina, no pay, what you cannot copy or memo, baby, a tone no piano, or Biase, Hunchu capsules, Araba Bazin, Mr. Keone Butchuma, and Yasim get to no money come up and do it to 0244 275429 0244 275429 Yahoma, Obet my friend Kunu Ghana Limited and Perry Fonafe, Uno Edin Kobo Bishop.
Yeah.
A sound in the down.
I shall say no crown.
A sound in the down. Wasn't another my hin our cars when you general manager.
Number 1 in Central for Okacha Musamon called Effie Makwaba.
Ose
Makwa Effie Waba.
Yeah, you go so yeah, check it.
Okay. Me pen say mura ho wia.
What shocks me is say and no what about castem. Enti obi ntimi ntu ye papa tachi ayens for say tachi asma wo kan on asma ba nyasa na panyin kasa still or da so maintaining the stance
away from that the MA ya kakra wasem we or say 17 clubs at the letter call the friend matter me say do an antro letter bi anko now has intro letter bi anko
yeah. And then runs so
nations
yeah,
I'm intro letter bi anko
still that's so maintaining say
no, why do you maintain
class let's see your more
I don't have a problem if clubs na air can we chiri say your more na I don't have a problem minya but obian for let and call FO as far as we know your first CEO of nations emra atamete am say aduana na Mr. Ayin still free mo omo for let and call baby so why are we doing that e be say na say nyina so we a o say na no odoto eso ase enfan kansem Mama Inyaisa. Bono, ye range ne bottom ma ye bebo. Minimum the conditions must be right for us to play the football. Our ma, our busia, and this year all bono region on the vice chairman. Nti echine bi say dua na be ko ball baby. Na nyame mpem man insipo. Ye si na ye kono ye di Mr. Ahinko as a human being. Ye ba no ye di ni fu na ba. How would he feel? How would you feel? What I say? My nya deal with politics. My nya no kotokoni obi na nya. Se na me kan no, enye bredi kan obi ewu park so ni. Eduana suffered this thing in 2016. Nti Kasa no ne ye mobile no na kotoko for se nobody has said we should suspend football indefinitely. Kotoko are engaging. So let's meet some conditions. And the regional minister ba one Kotoko ehia. Nhwemu ne koso. Ede ntina mpanyifo ni nyina ehia. Se ne be ya ye be sesa nioma. You change things. Paul asked me, can say a watershed moment. We've got to change. Yeah, pray and have born here.
Born to cross any dasso.
Yeah, pray when I know here and go.
Born here naso.
No man, you know, near Diana and Yamfasubi. A corporate social project for Adriana.
To project Doma.
Any Adriana, who say, what makes us special? No, yeah, supporters are born naturally.
Yeah.
You are part of our team.
Adriana Swash talk Ghana.
We are everywhere. And it's by blood. You nuanum bebre, Bogu, you nuanum bebre, Sumeja, you nuanum bebre, Kumewu, Tepa. Last time, now you call Samatex. Adriana call Samatex, I fetch you. Near BPBBN. Near Seribe Kwai.
Okay.
Near Fa.
Ere onya sama kodi min kuida.
So we ask. To fetch you wana well oga kopi asanko. No we rap boy na okobobo. You do asanko go amusi na say e ko wase kropon. Na e ko cha tetrete. On wase amenfi hini. E kudu a oka kire nse. E say e ba because oyeduanani.
Wow.
So please, let's foster unity with football. Ni say ho prayer hini eko. Everybody nyina hini edeko.
Yen fa ko be.
Good. Minister, enyo na be ka chezo to adonya de o. Again, it is not personal. Not. It's okay. Kwesi apia ko ball AFCON. Or they qualify ko ball AFCON. Round of 16 no film. Or by any contract we didn't extend it.
Okay.
2. Sika akono. Ono kwa the qualifiers no ambo enwepo na eja no kwan. Ene ko fa Milovan Rajevic. Obeto an qualifiers no so. Milovan ko Cameroon. First round no film. Oba ye no ejina ejuma free nisem. Chrisuti nebo qualifiers. And the Black Stars qualify for AFCON no Cote d'Ivoire. Group stage no film. Oba no ye gina dwuma.
So now Cote d'Ivoire no.
Come on.
I come up me kai video pa.
Come on because a family Bentina Otuado at the Ambo qualifies on there when to me and qualify for AFCON no cry. 2024 Black Stars matches on boy no. Omo we need just 2.
Otuado 2024.
Master, we know say that from team. We know. But what I say, we are down there, down. You can't get any worse. Niger, Sudan, Angola, Niger ball Morocco, Sudan ball Libya. The only team that ball in natural habitat is Angola ball Rwanda. You know 1 point from Angola. You know 1 point from Niger. And you know 1 point from Sudan. Ghana Tnefi. Elusu to Niger. Elusu to Angola. 1 point na Ghana of out of 9 points. Out of 9. Ghana nya 1 point. That was against Sudan. Oh. Accra.
Assembly.
Minya. Se minister kasa. Yenim. Nemum se bibi wo na so se. Ye betimi de aka ho aboa ma coach na dwuma tima konkan. Yenya etachiri. Nemum we know from the results. We are down. That from say team.
Nyaman koye. Okay. But that's Bishop Prince.
Yeah. I'm sure I see him free baby Bishop here. You see, I na me one principle be with me say oka se menya ade. Na sa ade na aka se menya no mentimi anya na obufu me. E ka se o kwa wasan. Nti uyi mafiri akofa work se work meya ade na aka se menya mentimi anya no. Na bia me de animi tu anamon baako. E na wo se menya ade no we mafiri. Na ukofa work by work antimi antu anamon ni bi mpo. Na still na hu work na ne sere no wani age na guso soma na o pese me nwene sen.
That's a free
pure hatred.
Yeah.
Pure hatred. Enye bibia entia. O tan hunu bi enti na oyi mi free o. Said na Bishop Okano. We've had CK Akono. We've had Milovan Rajevac. We've had Kwesi Appiah. We've had Chris Hughton. These are all coaches relatively you could clearly say they outperform what Otuado has done. They did better than him. But there was a chance to renew their contracts. They were sacked.
But Otuado's situation, my dream woman tells you, say, coachy, a Jumay pa, what boy pa. That
should have been the easiest decision to make.
Second assistant. Like on one town, young assistant. Assistants now more pamo no. Woman no majuman continue to ado. Anti-mama blasters and perform.
It should have been the easiest decision to make. Unim di intia. So far, in comparison, Ofa CK Akono, Milo, Kwesi Appiah, Chris Hughton, omu coaching status. Now they be compare Otuado is the lowest amongst them. If we were able, listen to this, if we were able to part ways with a coach who has coached in the English Premier League, a club called Brighton, if we were able to part ways with Coach Kwesi Appiah with the experience with the Blasters, if we were able to part ways with Milovan Rajevac with the experience in coaching, if we were able to part ways with CK Akono, locally, the experience and the if we're able to part ways with them, what is preventing us to part ways with Coach Otuado? So this thing, it can never be understood. I just say, be or more at the helm of affairs, no more taking decision, or much of that chair the etnase, maybe or more the school from class 1 to be a university, at the AV, and Sana, Yenyantias. But if not that, there's no understanding in this. Unse AFCON na yan qualify no. There's also a probability. Say World Cup no. You bet me free. Looking at performance under Otuado yenya no. The probability is very high. Enye 50-50. Looking at the performance ne there, because the probability of not qualifying could even be higher than the probability of qualifying. You see how it is. So for me, I don't see any reason why this thing, any question, it should even not be talked about. Okay, simple. Onya medru Ghana na openyi oba o de say o Ghana ni oba but oba who ni say ye ja kwan dada nti ebi abepaka o niema de akọ. That should be it. But we are here still paying money for this man. Meanwhile, omo ye better than him na ye pam omo no kwa egu so de omo ka enye ntu enwie. And we are here still paying money for this man. So what is preventing us? You see the point here. So for me, I think say more man shall say and there was one voice crowd. Penny be na no worker say yentimi am qualify for World Cup now. When him say Ghana for him fan chada. Meaning so beka enra. I've forgotten the man. Yeah, for you very good. And it is also clear. See a bit me a free tournament to him. No penny. See a free moi. Mexico, USA, Canada, Ghana and represented. Me sure say Ghana for the best champa. You see how it is. So for me, I think say now do something about this man because and when I ask one is qualifies nenche bebo say in March, right? Say our February mu. Until enche qualifies ne beba so. And if you are going to maintain him then you ka din say begu yeti ye bia na expect. Eji say bia miracle bi si.
Otuado.
Now, menko teach ya intendance them so. Look,
but seriously, I am tempted to believe say Otuado Techian him say
look, me per what I am thinking right now near say the man just wants the media to trend, to have his name.
Say open media trend.
No disrespect to him, but I feel say he wants the media and he always does that to use the media to be relevant. No disrespect to him, but what did they make an answer? Because at no point in time, and as such a person who has followed football for a very long time, knows the ins and outs of football, at this point in time to come out to make a statement which is vague. There's no truth in that statement. Because if you say 17 clubs, and they are and the clubs are denying it, and the clubs are denying it, thinking say Bianca, dear Betchina, you better be sorry no. The man has come out to say something come on the tempest down because he fled the tempest of a lot of Ghanaians. Mama for be
and still no ojira.
And I mean what say adia na is the same Benya a proper communicate from him come on the tempest down. He's even flaring up. I say ejane dereno and will say boom.
Now me person busa Techian say ono customer clubs na nya brese born or see bono ono Techian isiko di real football mu saying.
And
sikasa na Techian who di real football mu.
Seriously,
player better edu boso me wutia ne ka.
There one cry say
you are not the general manager of Editorial Stars.
That's the there one say Editorial Stars has made it clear. And Papa Poku asi, he has made it clear. Say you don't talk for the club. And what is statement or kind on Kasama club no also boy come on. An unfair statement. So for me, I think say the man should really sit down, try to analyze what he's staring at. Not only because it's not very good at all. And Anas any question to just say me. Well, I need law background beer. There are some things that ABA kasa from the point of Menganze a general Ghanaian a GNB. But I feel say if because Anas couldn't unveil the mask and intina yebo and sending to a gua, then in a way I think say per me understanding I think say there are some things which are not right because a womusa say bia as in your proper evidence you nipa kroni say but at the end of course no did it happen or not? I'm not saying say I'm not in favor of Anas Adenoye, but did it happen or not? If it happened, then there should be something. There should be some questions asked and some questions answered somewhere. Because we also saw the video, the kind of altercations a course on the now Kobase Nimna where me ninti ye bo we nyina to agu keke sadia, then it could be and I say it could set a bad precedent for other occasions that will happen. So for me, I think these are some of the things that, though, just like I said, I have no law background, but I feel something better could have been done about it, because the verdict about Bonte, for me, it doesn't really
want to say, okay, and now say, only the mask, it's a new kuma samana.
That an American, it doesn't sound well only.
Nemas neke kena only into some new one, young kuma.
Well, just like I said, me should need a law background. Maybe there are some things in there I know, but for me, I think the decision doesn't sit well with me. That's it. And Maminya Airbedewe, Mr. Maminya Airbedewe, Nana Safone de Maminti. Nana, I know very good. Apostle Ernest Obed Asamoah. Apostle Ernest Obed Asamoah. Do not friend brother Obed. So Sofo. Kingdom Banners Ministry International. What Asafo. Omo pastor. Inti pastor Apostle Ernest Obed Asamoah birthday. Pastor, yemfa akwenya we so a very happy birthday. Yankopo nshaw onye okese onyu fra dumu emfa wonkwa dumu onye okese pa. Na me aduma Sunday nso opanyi pole 1 week na eba so.
Heroes Park.
Yes, Heroes Park.
Baba yara.
Yinyina etu ya. Yinyina etu ya.
Okay.
The okay. As yinyina yakwo. You show your gratitude and also how we feel about the death of Poli. And how we want it to resonate in their football, their sporting system, no. Nancy Sunday, ma. Me advance Sunday in Kushia.
And now your Valentine Day, but and then Valentine, dino making sure say, unko ye bibia, kwakochi how new you need their bro. They say stars about patches say every day be an impa 15 HIV.
Yes.
Ghana. It is a mpacho who di Valentine also we are very careful. Sompa. As it the Valentine, mum show yeah.
Now, unim say stars never.
And for from Valentine.
In general, Ghanaians, the ones on record, actually say nipa over 334,000 Ghanaians no HIV as we speak, and only on record. Omo ayehu, omo hospital ayehu. Openi obi omo na moyare, but on hospital me check mani hu into onim. Into on record, cry na ye over 334,000. Then it means so more maka or more dangerous massy or more aware and or more aware but more money no opinion is very, very huge. So I'll be very careful and Valentine's Day, just like you are saying, a day for love.
Young focus. Into to my friend would do adventure abba Jubedin so Sompa 93.1 FM. Anna Wasuguswa with Tino, Ube to my friend would do adventure abba Jubedin so na ya twaso. Come and the line no any dia to screen is 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 and 0548 931 931 ube to my friend na would adventure abba jibedi so na ye nyanum bi so mu do mu birthdays international yetimi aye ho adwuma enso dia mamo kama pa Managerial lines number me 0551 931 931 0558 931 931 ubetu ma frena wodu adwenkyere aba djubadine so kama na yakuanim ententem so okay me patromo fa birthdays no engu so emfama ye ha na yentoa so monfa birthdays no engu so emaye na yentoa so kama yenkon okay 2 okay good morning hello good morning good morning good morning hello good morning yete wonkao yinya na bibianko tim pachomo mfanche pa na kewe pese be kasa bebre okay yenhwe we say atoma good morning pachomo mfanche why nyame adoma a free Monday kon bibia be go through tim for birthdays ni muso na yento aso omo di omu birthday enno yenya wadwuma na yen sorry eso yes ramo say pachomo mfanche pa mo a ka mo pese mo badwuma di ne so na eniema enkoye na yentimi ɛmfa mo course mo mfa nkyɛ pa nyankopɔn hyɛ mo pa ɛnɛ ɛyɛ Solomon Donko Solomon Donko uwo boase Cinco de Mario ɛso we show happy birthday nyankopɔn hyɛ pa no nton kwadem de oye bia no ɔman ntumpɔn wate asɛ won sa no adwuma so nto ne hyerɛn so ɛmfa enguso happy birthday to you Solomon Donko of Obuase another suffer so 80 birthday etimi pacho MCR runs fa picture na me de ama ono fato Facebook no so na yanku enim fato screen so na yanku enim kama ema bibia so entimi enkoye ha ena eye yen sofo bako ena ye ne birthday ni din de Mr. Shadrakofi Akompi Mr. Shadrakofi Akompi and your birthday, happy birthday to you. Kingdom Inheritance Worship Center. Kingdom Inheritance Worship Center. And your birthday, happy birthday to you. Yakupon Shapanon Ton Quadam Yan sorry so Emma Bipiasum Intimi Enkoye. Nyamia Duma Ochina, your sign Ebeshia Bio, Nyamia Duma China, your sign Ebeshia Bio Pa and Timpacho. Mu anamu pesa bu baso ene de ka nyina yesrem se mu mfanche se network no entimi antutum ama yentimi amfa mo course no wote Bishop Atapokunka wote Prince enka ana fe Cinco de Mario wote nka medin ene the little king nyame adoma me pacho wadaroma yesabe hia bio nyame adoma chena sia bonga Ashanti bye bye yakramo